This is how you get the universe and everyone around you to spoil you and give you the best. So it all comes from how you see yourself, and seeing yourself as someone who receives the best, who deserves the best, who's worthy of the best. Worthiness and deservingness are actually man-made concepts. So you're literally just worthy and deserving because you exist and because you're born. So it doesn't matter how good or bad of a person you are. You can literally see that in the world. It doesn't depend on how good you are to receive what it is that you want. Although that's definitely a bonus, right? We want to actually be spreading love and kindness and goodness, but you don't have to prove or to reach a certain level of goodness in order to receive what it is that you want. So the way that you get absolutely spoiled and treated like royalty and given the best by the universe and everyone around you, provided for, being supported, being taken care of, is starting to see yourself as someone who naturally gets that, experiences that, receives that. And I want to ask you right now, do you currently see yourself as someone who does experience that? Or who are you identifying as? What follows? I am someone who. And what did you end that sentence with? So you really want to shift your self-concept when you are wanting to just get the best out of life, like in every single area of your life, right? Whether it's love, relationships, in career, business, with money, the daily life experiences that you're having, the treatment that you get from people. Like, I literally walk around and get such incredible treatment from people because I see myself as someone who experiences that. So once you are really honest with yourself about where you're at and how you see yourself, right? The world can only treat you how you see them treating you. So it's actually all down to you. The world is responding to you. People are responding to you and how you see yourself. So whatever you believe is normal and natural for you to experience will become your experience. So I want you to even drop below in the comments right now. What are you up-leveling your self-concept to that is a match to you being treated like an absolute king or queen, like royalty, being spoiled with love, affection, and gifts? Or whatever you want to receive, right? Whatever it is that you're manifesting. And I want you to drop below in the comments, share with us this sentence, what you're up-leveling to. I am someone who, and whatever follows that, insert whatever it is. So it could be, I am someone who gets the best treatment. I'm someone who gets presidential treatment. I am someone who gets treated like royalty. I am someone who everyone sees and treats like royalty. I get the absolute best in life. Whatever it is, claim it below. Because the more that you start to see yourself in this way, right? It's a decision that you make every single day. Tell yourself this when you wake up in the morning, like go to the mirror and look in the mirror, look into your eyes and say this to yourself. I am someone who gets the best in life. I am someone who the universe and everyone around me loves to spoil, provide for, take care of, support, cherish, love, and adore. Treat like absolute royalty. Because you're actually, first of all, allowing yourself to receive that. You're giving yourself permission to receive that. You are saying that it's very natural and normal, a familiar experience to receive that. The more that you repeat this to yourself, right? That's how your subconscious mind is getting rewired in the beliefs that you have. And your beliefs are really getting pushed out into your reality. Who you believe you are, how you believe life goes for you, the lens that you see the world through, the lens that you see yourself through is what's getting reflected back to you and shown as a reflection in the mirror. But it all starts with you. So when you are saying that to yourself repetitively, and you're also energetically raising your standards to say, like, I'm only available to be absolutely spoiled. I'm only available to receive the best. I'm only available to be treated like absolute royalty, for everyone to support me, cherish me, love on me, give me the best. When you energetically just raise your standards internally, right? This isn't about going and demanding anything from anyone. It's actually about, think of it like a thermometer that you're setting within yourself of like, no, this is like, I'm only available to receive the best because that's what I'm choosing for myself. Because that's what I deserve, because I'm here, because I exist, because I breathe. You don't need to justify or have any reason why you're deserving of what you want in life, right? You literally just get to have it just because you were born. And it all starts with you claiming that for yourself, and the universe and everyone around you will start to literally reflect that, deliver it to you. It's honestly incredible. It's like night and day since I started practicing this. I get loved on and gifted and showered in affection and love literally everywhere that I go now. And I want you to experience this as well, because literally there is more than enough available for all of us. So I know that this has been helpful for you. Have an amazing rest of your day and lots of love.